In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Stremio working on your iPhone. Now, I want to be upfront with you here, because this one works a little differently than Android. There's no native Stremio app sitting in the App Store, and that's not a bug or a removal. It's just how Apple's policies handle apps built around third-party add-ons like this. Don't worry though, there's still a solid, officially recommended way to get everything working. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, one safety thing worth flagging. Because there's no official app in the App Store, a few imposter apps have popped up trying to look like Stremio, with names that are just slightly off. Like Stremio. These are packed with spam and pop-ups you really don't want on your phone, so steer clear of anything in the App Store claiming to be Stremio. The method Stremio actually recommends for iPhone is called Stremio Web, and it's basically the full platform running through your browser instead of a downloaded app. Open up Safari and head over to web.stremio.com. Then log in with your existing Stremio account. Once you're signed in, your library, your watch history, and any add-ons you've already set up on other devices will sync over automatically, so there's no rebuilding anything from scratch. To make it feel more like a real app instead of a website you have to dig up every time, tap the Share icon at the bottom of Safari. Then select Add to Home Screen. This drops an icon right on your phone that opens Stremio Web directly, without any browser bar or address field getting in the way. Now, here's an important piece to set up before you start watching anything. Playback inside the browser itself is pretty limited on iOS, and torrent-based streams won't work at all in this setup, since the background service that handles those can't run on iPhones. So the fix is routing playback through a separate video player app instead. Go ahead and download either VLC or Outplayer from the App Store. Both are free, and either one works well. Back inside Stremio Web, tap the gear icon to open settings, scroll down to find player, and change the external player option from disabled to whichever app you just installed. From that point on, whenever you tap play on something, Stremio hands the stream off automatically to that player instead of trying to run it in browser. If you're the kind of person who wants the full native feeling experience with more features, Stremio also released an official side-loadable version built specifically for iOS. But that route involves a tool called AltStore and a bit more technical setup, so it's really only worth pursuing if the web version starts feeling limiting for you. For most people, the web app covers everything you need. And that's the iPhone method in a nutshell. No download from the App Store required. Just Safari, a home screen shortcut, and an external player standing by. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.